Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hi, Love Neat Rajora here, and in the next few minutes, please listen to me carefully. So would you like tap into red-hot $22.40 billion industry right now and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique? If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting Webbook Studio instant access of world's first amazing one-click eBooks, 3D FlipBooks, and article generator cloud-based platform, along with millions of pre-made eBooks and articles with PLR license. You can instantly create jaw-dropping eBook, FlipBook, and articles in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and select ready-to-use templates or create ebook from scratch. Step 2. Add your own content in ebook, or you can use inbuilt content builder feature. Step 3. Preview or download in one click. Create unlimited ebooks, flipbooks, and articles and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. Here are some of its amazing features: professional and fully cloud-based platform, user-friendly 3D flipbooks and ebooks, creator software, 100+ high-quality ready-to-use templates, 60-second ebook, FlipBooks creation, embed ebook, flipbook on your website, even inbuilt cover creator feature, 100+ super high-quality pre-made layouts and flipbook covers, 10,000+ pre-made ebooks with PLR license, multiple niche pre-made ebooks, inbuilt content and article generator feature, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free. Sell unlimited ebook, flipbooks, and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Unlimited one-click download, step-by-step training, and much more. And we're not alone. Over 150+ top agency owners, freelancers, marketers, and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with Webbook Studio. Till now, Webbook Studio has created 10 million+ ebooks, flipbooks, and articles. It's huge. And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your traffic, conversion, and sales at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with an unlimited commercial, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon, it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast. And click the link below. See you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.